Japanese fleet mechanics routinely push BMW AGM batteries past 7 years, even 10 years. Western dealers replace yours every 3 to 5 years. The difference comes down to 7 techniques. From a 15-minute diagnostic you can do tonight to a conditioning ritual that fundamentally changes how your battery ages. We're counting them down from simplest to most powerful. Starting with a hidden current drain that is silently killing your battery right now. Number 7. Parasitic draw audit. The fastest way to kill a BMW battery is not age or cold weather. It is hidden current drains that never let your battery rest. Modern F and G series BMW cars run over 60 control modules, each sipping power long after you walk away. In Japan, the standard is strict. Any rest draw above 30 milliamps is considered a fault. Yet, most Western BMW cars idle at 50 to 80 milliamps, quietly draining the battery night after night. The fix starts with a 15-minute audit. With the car off and a multimeter set to the 10 amp range, connect the meter in series at the negative terminal. Wait 2 to 3 minutes for the modules to sleep, then watch the reading. Anything above 30 milliamps, start pulling fuses one at a time until the number drops. Field audits from Japanese fleets show that every milliamp above target accelerates sulfation, cutting battery life by months, sometimes years. This single test, performed regularly, stops the most common battery killer before it starts. Dealers rarely mention it. For Japanese mechanics, it is the first line of defense. Number 6. Slow charge protocol. Most BMW owners never hear about the 10% C-rate rule, but it is the quiet foundation of Japanese battery longevity. Here is the reality. Every time a dealer hooks up a 20 amp or 40 amp charger for a quick boost, they are trading minutes saved for months lost on your battery's life. Japanese technicians do the opposite. They set their chargers to 2 to 5 amps, never more than 0.1 C of the battery's amp-hour rating, and let it run overnight. This is not just superstition. Lab tests show that charging above 0.3 C rapidly raises internal resistance, baking the plates and slashing usable life. But keep the current under 0.1 C and the battery stays cool, usually below 45 degrees Celsius, even after 8 hours. That is why Japanese field data reports batteries lasting 40 to 60% longer than those hit with fast charge cycles. The CTEC MXS 5.0 and Optimate 4 both offer maintenance modes that lock the current at 2 or 3 amps, with CAN bus awareness to keep the BMW electronics happy. Set the charger before bed, let it work while you sleep, and you are following the same overnight protocol used in Japan's most demanding taxi fleets. For less than the price of a single battery replacement, you can add years to your current one, if you respect the slow charge science. Number 5. Terminal conditioning technique. Corroded battery terminals are the silent killer almost no BMW dealer will mention, but Japanese mechanics treat them like a ticking time bomb. A simple 0.3 volt drop across dirty terminals is all it takes to trigger false, weak battery warnings and send owners back to the service desk for a battery they do not need. The fix is pure precision. First, neutralize any acid with a baking soda solution. Next, scrub both clamps and posts with a fine wire brush until the metal shines. Then apply a thin layer of dielectric grease. This seals out moisture and blocks new oxidation. The last step is critical. Torque each terminal bolt to exactly 4 to 6 Newton meters. No more, no less. This sequence locks in a low resistance path the battery management system can trust, preventing voltage dropouts for up to 5 years. Studies show that even a few milliohms of extra resistance at the terminal can fool the car's computer into thinking your battery is dying. Dealers rarely check. Japanese technicians never skip. For less than the cost of a lunch, you solve a problem that has sent thousands of healthy BMW batteries to the scrap pile. Every BMW owner has heard the same line. If your AGM battery drops below 10.5 volts, it's finished. Just replace it. That is not how it works in Japanese workshops. There, a battery condemned by Western standards is treated as a rescue case, not a lost cause. The method starts with a desulfation pulse, 0.5 amps at high frequency, for 30 minutes, to break down the lead sulfate crystals that choke the plates after deep discharge. Next comes a slow, controlled recharge at 2 amps, stretched out over 6 to 8 hours. No fast charging, no overheating, just a measured recovery. The final step is a load test. The battery must deliver at least 75% of its rated amp hours under a half capacity draw. Field studies from Japanese service fleets show that 70 to 80% of so-called dead AGM batteries respond to this protocol if it is started within 24 hours of voltage collapse. That's a $400 battery back from the brink in under 12 hours, using nothing more exotic than a smart charger with a desulfation mode and a bench tester. Dealers rarely mention this because there is no profit in a battery you do not replace. But with the right gear and a little patience, most BMW owners can skip the scrap pile and keep their original battery running for years longer. This is the fork in the road: rescue or replace. In Japan, rescue comes first. Number 3, voltage maintenance window. Here is where Japanese battery care leaves Western dealer routines in the dust. Strict voltage discipline during storage. The rule is simple. Hold your BMW AGM battery steady at 12.6 to 12.8 volts, with 12.7 volts as the sweet spot. This is not just a number on a charger. It is the line between slow, silent sulfation and a battery that keeps its full punch for years. Most BMW vehicles left to rest after a drive settle at 12.4 volts, just low enough to start the chemical stratification that ages the cells from the inside out. Meanwhile, every alternator run spikes to 14.2 or even 14.8 volts, which is fine for charging, but brutal if held too long. Japanese technicians use smart chargers in BMW mode. These lock the voltage at exactly 12.7 volts, floating the battery with just enough current to keep sulfation at bay without overcharging. Open circuit voltage tables back this up. At 12.7 volts, an AGM cell sits at nearly 100% state of charge with minimal chemical stress. The science is clear. Float at 12.7 volts, and you cut the sulfation rate to near zero. This technique bridges slow charging and full conditioning cycles, adding a level of precision Western shops rarely mention. It's the difference between a battery that is always ready and one that is quietly dying in the background. Battery registration is the overlooked software step that quietly ruins more BMW batteries than any physical defect. When a new AGM or lithium battery goes into a modern BMW, the car DME or BDC keeps using the old battery profile unless the new one is registered. Japanese audits reveal that 60 to 70% of early battery failures are traced to skipping this step. The car continues charging as if the old degraded battery is still there, often pushing 12 to 15 amps into a fresh cell designed for 8. This mismatch is not minor. It can cut battery life by 30 to 50%, wiping out every benefit from careful charging or terminal cleaning in just months. The solution is software, not hardware. For F-Series and G-Series BMW vehicles, ISTA, BIMR code, or even a $30 Bluetooth OBD dongle allow owners to program the new battery's serial number and capacity into the car's memory. The process is simple: select the battery type, enter the amp-hour rating, and register. This resets the charging algorithm, adapts to the new battery chemistry, and unlocks adaptive charging before the final conditioning cycle. Dealer bulletins quietly confirm that skipping registration is the leading cause of overcharging and early failure. Yet many shops either ignore it or charge extra for the service. Field data from Japan shows registered batteries avoid chronic overcurrent, maintain a stable charge, and often last twice as long as unregistered ones. Registration is the software handshake that lets every other maintenance step actually work. Skip it, and you risk having your battery's life. Do it, and you unlock the full benefit of every conditioning trick available. And finally, in first place, the conditioning cycle is the Japanese secret that brings every other technique together and transforms battery care from a patchwork of fixes into a true preventive system. This is not just a quick trick or a single adjustment, it is a ritual performed every 6 months that targets the chemistry inside your BMW's AGM or lithium battery and rewrites the rules of battery lifespan. Here is how it works, step by step. First, discharge the battery to about 50% state of charge, roughly 12.5 volts for most 12-volt AGM batteries. That means using a load tester or simply running the headlights until you reach the target voltage. Next, let the battery rest for 12 hours at room temperature. This pause is not optional. It allows the electrolyte to redistribute and the plates to equalize, dissolving the microstratification that quietly kills capacity over time. Finally, recharge at a strict 2 amp current using a smart charger's conditioning mode. No faster, no shortcuts. The slow current heals microsulfation, restoring plate area that fast charging can never reach. The full cycle takes about 24 hours, but it is only needed twice a year. The toolkit is simple. A smart charger like the C-Tech XS 5.0 or Optimate 4, a digital multimeter, and a basic load tester. No dealer hardware, no proprietary software. Japanese field reports show that when this cycle is repeated every 6 months, BMW AGM batteries routinely hit 7 to 10 years of service, doubling the 3 to 5 year average seen in Western markets. That is over $600 in avoided replacements for a single battery. The science is rooted in controlled electrolyte movement and the reversal of early-stage sulfation, a process Western dealers rarely discuss because it does not drive sales. But the outcome is visible on the voltage graphs: batteries that hold 12.7 volts year after year, even after a decade in service. This conditioning cycle is the payoff for every previous step: parasitic draw control, slow charging, terminal care, deep discharge recovery, voltage discipline, and proper registration. It is the difference between a battery that quietly fails at year 4 and one that outlives the car. In Japan, this is not a secret, it is standard practice. For BMW owners tired of the replacement treadmill, the 6-month conditioning ritual is the final word in battery longevity. Across all 7 techniques, one fact stands out: BMW batteries fail early, not from design, but from neglected care that your dealer rarely profits from. The Japanese approach rewrites the rules. Battery longevity isn't luck, it's knowledge withheld. What you do next decides whether you pay or outsmart the system.